Thank you for joining us on another edition of Your City in 5. I'm your host, Ricky Saillas. The coronavirus crisis is erupting across the nation. Right now, El Paso is one of the hardest hit cities across the country with COVID-19.
It is prudent to say that we still have a dire situation in El Paso. We still have quite a bit of people, quite a bit of loved ones being positive for the COVID-19.
To stop the relentless surge, health experts and community leaders say everyone needs to help. Rising cases and deaths are straining hospitals and medical professionals. The stay-home order remains in place, and city leaders continue to work with businesses such as big box stores to reduce the spread. Walmart is now limiting the number of customers allowed in their stores. The request coming from Mayor Margo, who continues to reach out to Target, Best Buy, and Home Depot. While COVID-19 testing continues, the city has teamed up with Walmart to deliver test kits to residents using a drone. The pilot program is one way the city is fighting to contain the fierce second wave of this virus. The Centers for Disease Control now urging everyone not to travel during Thanksgiving, warning doing so may increase the chance of getting and spreading COVID-19. Health officials are also asking families not to gather for the holiday.
It is very important that individuals don't gather, even only with family members from the same household, that is fine, but not with anybody from outside the household, because that is going to bring a lot of risk into the family unit. And we want everybody to be safe and healthy throughout the holidays. So please do not gather.
Public health leaders are asking residents to fill out an online survey to gain an insight on the likelihood of getting a COVID-19 vaccine once it's available. The survey in English and in Spanish is posted on the Vaccination tab at epstrong.org. The Public Health Department is also offering free COVID-19 antibody testing. The testing checks for specific proteins that protect from disease. More information on COVID-19 is posted at epstrong.org.
Here's something else that you should know. All city administrative offices will be closed for the Thanksgiving holiday. Garbage and recycling will not be picked up on Thanksgiving or the day after. Instead, recycling will be picked up on the Monday before Thanksgiving and trash on the Monday after Thanksgiving. The change in service gives garbage collectors a chance to spend the holiday with their family. Sun Metro bus service will not run on Thanksgiving as well. Also, the City Council is meeting virtually at 9 a.m. on Tuesday, November 24th. City Council will also meet twice in December at 9 a.m. on December 8th and on December 15th. More information on meetings and a complete list of city closures is posted on elpasotexas.gov. The city's gift-giving tree has launched virtually amid the coronavirus pandemic. Here's how it works. Visit elpasotexas.gov. Click on the gift-giving tree banner, then select the tag that has an item requested by a child, an adult, a veteran, or a senior in need. The gifts can be mailed or shipped directly to the agency selected, or they can be dropped off at participating fire stations. Gifts need to be received by December 4th. The 30-year-old city tradition is organized by the Retired and Senior Volunteer Program and the Foster Grandparents Program. You can also gift your time and love this holiday season by fostering a homeless pet from the Animal Services Shelter. There are nearly 500 pets in need of a home. Fostering for the Holidays is a free program where the shelter provides food, supplies, and medical care for pets. Fosters only need to provide love. If you're interested in fostering a pet for the holidays, reach out to Animal Services. They're on Facebook or visit elpasoanimalservices.org. Speaking of animals, Juno, the 54-year-old female elephant that lives at the El Paso Zoo, is on the road to recovery after veterinarians successfully removed a malignant tumor from her breast. Juno had been battling breast cancer for about 5 years and received treatments during that time. Veterinarians decided to remove the tumor to expand her life. It took about 2.5 hours to finish the high-risk surgery. Zoo staff says she is doing better than expected.
Stand by in 3, 2.
That's going to do it for us on this edition of Your City in 5. But stay up to date with all city happenings by visiting our social media sites. For Nigel Sherman, who's behind the camera, I'm Ricky Saillas. Stay safe, be good to each other, and have a happy and blessed Thanksgiving. We'll see you next time on Your City in 5.
And that's a wrap.